Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you this beautiful power pack that I just got. It comes in this case right here, so you can see it's really nice. It comes with a carrying case or a carrying bag if you're going to use it for traveling or anything like that, and it comes with a USB C to USB C cable, so you can charge it or again put the battery to the charge to something else. This is the charger itself. Look at how beautiful that is. It's see-through, so you can see all the electronics, the batteries themselves. It has a display. The display will tell you how much battery there is in it and how it's dividing the power, because you can charge two different things. It has a USB and a USB-C port, so you can charge different things. You can charge an iPhone 4 times before this runs out of battery. It only takes 90 minutes to charge fully, but again, you can charge the phone 4 times. You can charge your laptop, Chromebook, anything that needs charging. This is it. It has 20,000 milliamps of voltage in there, and as you can see, is beautiful. So it is very beautiful and very easy to use. You have one button here that controls the screen, and it will show you everything individually. But again, it is really nice. It's a lot of power in a small place. I live in Florida, so in the summer we lose a lot of power because of hurricanes and stuff like that. So it's always nice to have something like this to help me keep my phones charged, not only iPhone, but any type of phone, but also my laptop and all my other electronics. It's really nice, and I hope you guys find it as useful as I am and enjoy it as much as I am.